Welcome back, Titan fans. So tonight I'm working on my Titan again, and I've got a taillight issue where I don't have a reverse light or a cargo lamp on both sides. And my cargo lamps are currently on, you can see that up there. I've also got my LEDs tied into my cargo lamps. So whenever the door is open or the switch is on, the LEDs come on as well. So we're going to pull this off and show you what to check for your reverse lights and cargo lights. And it seems to be a common issue on these trucks. So first I am going to remove the two Phillips screws. On the taillight, pull it out. And then I'm going to disconnect the bottom two light bulbs from the taillight housing. Just a quarter turn. And then if you pull the wiring harness out of that little clip, you can turn it aside. And then we'll look at these two bulbs here. So the bottom two are the ones that are giving us problems, the reverse and the cargo light. Pull them out and you can see how bad they are. Severely corroded, and this one even broke when it was coming out. Let's pull our other one off, and the same thing. So what I'm going to do, or actually what I've already done, you can take your screwdriver, you can use just the blade, or you can put some fine grit sandpaper over the end. You might want to turn your cargo lights back off, turn the ignition off completely when you do this, but reach in there, you can see the corrosion. I've already cleaned it out a bit, but you can see the corrosion in there. Get in there, scrape some of that corrosion out, and I've got one new bulb. I don't have enough new bulbs to go around, but grab a new bulb. You might as well start fresh. Get a new bulb, and you can test these out. The bottom one, so this is the cargo lamp. So I've got, yeah, you can see I've got to get in there and clean some more corrosion off, because it did come on. See, it does work. I just got to get some more corrosion out of there, and we got a light bulb again. But what I'm going to do when I put the new light bulb in is add some Dielectric Grease. And even if you're not having this problem yet, it's a good idea to pull all these bulbs out and put a little bit of this in there so you don't have this issue in the future. So I'm going to actually pull all of my bulbs out and add some grease to all of them, and then I'm going to install new bulbs in each spot. Thanks for watching.